Have you ever wanted a cake that feels like a big, warm hug? Well, you found it. This isn't just any carrot cake. This is a carrot cake with a special little secret. It has a Filipino twist that makes it extra special. Cozy spices, sweet coconut surprise, salty kick. It's the kind of dessert that makes everyone smile. Perfect for a Sunday afternoon with family. Great for a potluck with friends. You don't need to be a pro baker to make this. It is so easy, so simple, so good. This cake is all about comfort. Imagine the smell of cinnamon filling your kitchen. It mixes with the sweet scent of coconut. This recipe takes a classic American dessert and gives it a little vacation to the Philippines. We're swapping in tropical flavor. Think creamy coconut milk instead of regular milk. Think a little salty cheese to balance the sweetness. It's unexpected. It's delightful. Okay, let's get our game plan together. First, we need our ingredients. No fancy stuff here, just simple things you can find easily. 2 cups of grated carrots, about 4 medium carrots, 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of sugar. A 1/2 cup of coconut milk, canned for richness, and a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Optional Filipino extras that make it extra yummy: grated coconut, macapuno, and well-drained crushed pineapple. Add crunch with about 1/3 cup walnuts, or even peanuts. For topping, 1 cup softened cream cheese and 1/4 cup sweet condensed milk. Finish with grated cheddar or queso de bola, macapuno, or toasted coconut. Tools? Keep it simple. 2 bowls, 1 dry, 1 wet, a whisk or even a fork, a grater, and a 9-inch round pan. Timing: about 15 minutes prep, 30-35 minutes bake, 30 minutes to cool, roughly an hour and a half, most of it hands off. First things first, let's get that oven hot. 180 degrees here or 350 degrees. A ready oven is key. Grease your 9-inch pan, line the bottom with parchment, dust with flour, and tap to coat. Your cake will thank you later. In 1 bowl, flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt. Whisk until evenly combined for a perfect rise and spice in every bite. In a second bowl, whisk 2 eggs with sugar until slightly lighter. Then add oil and luscious coconut milk. Smooth and glossy. Fold in 2 cups of grated carrots. If you're adding extras, now's the time. Add well-drained crushed pineapple, grated coconut or macapuno, and chopped nuts for crunch. The batter should be bright, beautiful, thick but pourable. Add dry to wet in 2 additions and fold. Down the middle, up and over. Do not overmix. Mix just until no white streaks. A few lumps are okay. That's tender crumb insurance. Pour into the prepared pan, smooth the top, and tap gently to pop air bubbles. Bake 30 to 35 minutes. Start checking at 30. Ovens vary. Your kitchen will smell absolutely divine. Test doneness with a toothpick. Clean, or with a few moist crumbs, means ready. Wet batter? Give it 5 more minutes. Take it out carefully and rest 10 minutes in the pan. Turn onto a rack to cool completely, another 20-30 minutes. Don't frost a warm cake. It will melt into a soupy mess. Perfect time to make our amazing topping. Simple steps, soft crumb, big comfort. We're ready for the finish. While our beautiful cake is cooling, let's whip up the most delicious topping. This isn't your average cream cheese frosting. The Filipino secret makes it better. Use softened, room temperature cream cheese. Instead of powdered sugar alone, pour in sweet, gooey condensed milk. That's the magic. Mix until smooth and creamy. Taste and adjust with a little powdered sugar if you like it sweeter. Fold in grated cheddar or finely chopped queso de bola. That salty bite cuts through the sweetness for a flavor explosion. When the cake is cool to the touch, crown it with that creamy, dreamy, slightly cheesy topping. Sprinkle toasted coconut, add a few macapuno pieces, and a little grated cheddar or queso de bola for contrast. The bright yellow and orange cheese against white frosting looks so pretty. It smells incredible. warm cinnamon, and sweet coconut. Take a sharp knife, cut the first slice, and see how moist and tender it is, dotted with carrot flecks, picture perfect and irresistible. Serve it with a hot cup of coffee or a cold glass of milk. Now, take that first bite. The cake is so soft it almost melts in your mouth. Taste the sweet carrot and warm cinnamon, then a little burst of tropical pineapple or maca puno. The frosting is smooth and creamy, and there's that little salty bite from the cheese. The perfect finish. This Filipino carrot cake is a humble, heart-filled crowd pleaser. Share it with family, bring it to a gathering, or treat yourself. Enjoy the simple, happy process of baking something wonderful, and the even happier moment of sharing it with people you love. Every bite feels like a warm, comforting hug with a fun, tropical twist. Yummo.